I love the smell in here.
Same.
Today on the 26th of July 2023, here's Albertinkatu, Albertinkatu 16 stakes A. The last stake is to be filmed in this video. We have filmed the stakes as A, B, C, and D here. You can watch all of them, and they have 6 floors here. So it's the best one here of them, because the rest of them have 5 floors. It was built in 1962, turned 60 years old in 2022. It should have been inspected in 2022, it was delayed. And the December is actually 108. Let's see, yeah. And with the cane cap and also the 3 purses of 2.5 grams. It should have also been this one in Swedish, in the both official languages beside it.
Yeah.
So let's get to it here. That's the other Kone logo on the panel.
Iskutiitpaakin vaan iskuttaa. Maintained by pääkaupunkiseudun hissikeskus.
I also love the sensor here.
Same.
Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. And this one has a different style of with the year and this number on it. It's a little bit more rare actually. Yeah.
That's